We are in an exciting era of rapid disruption through generative AI. A McKinsey report in 2024 revealed that 72% of the companies use AI. 65% of them foresee an impact of generative AI. Industries in the finance, healthcare, manufacturing sectors have all started seeing the impact of generative AI, using them in their day-to-day workflows. The economic potential of generative AI is going to hit $4.4 trillion as per another McKinsey report. Irrespective of the fact that we are in an era of rapid disruption through generative AI, less than 50% of generative AI applications actually see the light of the day. There are a lot of challenges in productionizing generative AI, and this fact is also undeniable. Nearly 30% of the companies that experiment with generative AI projects want to stop it as soon as they complete a proof of concept. Nearly 40% of the companies feel that they want to abandon the generative AI initiatives that they had worked on due to various reasons. Due to all of these reasons, the ability to productionize generative AI applications is more of a paradox. Let us look at the reasons why it's very difficult to productionize generative AI applications. Data quality is the first reason. Nearly 30% of AI projects fail because of bad data. 75% of the companies want to prioritize AI-ready data. Second reason is performance and scalability. Every company that wants to implement generative AI needs the generative AI to perform at a very, very high level of availability and scalability. Nearly 40% of AI pilots get stalled primarily because of deployment issues. Third reason is the complexity of integration with business operating systems or enterprise level systems. Generative AI applications typically have a difficulty in seamlessly integrating with the organization's ERP and CRM systems. Gartner has forecasted that nearly 60% of the applications may fail because of misaligned tech stack. The fourth reason is hallucinations. Generative AI is prone to a lot of hallucinations. Irrespective of several hallucination management capabilities that come in, nearly about 20% of the AI generated text still has to be edited and proofread by human beings. The cost of implementing generative AI applications, in addition to the cost of maintaining generative AI applications, is very high. This, in fact, is almost becoming a primary reason for many organizations not to continue implementing generative AI applications in production. Security and compliance is also a very important factor. 72% of the organizations that want to implement generative AI are skeptical about how generative AI is going to be compliant to regulations like GDPR, how generative AI is going to manage the IP of the organization, and all of these put some big questions around implementation of generative AI. Last but not the least, lack of transparency is an important factor that makes companies hesitate to implement generative AI models in production. Generative AI models are highly intelligent models, but at the same time, they are also a black box. A lot of heavy lifting is done behind the scenes, which kind of puts companies in a quandary whether to accept the decisions made by generative AI or not, particularly when it comes to production run systems. So what is the need of the hour? We need a more sophisticated approach and more importantly, a sophisticated framework. We need scalable, comprehensive AI-powered decision systems and AI-powered action systems. We also need systems that can seamlessly integrate with other enterprise-level applications. The systems also need to allow for user-in-the-loop framework, allowing a human being to take control, watch what the AI is doing, and supervise it whenever needed. The systems should also help fine-tune any AI application whenever needed. Typical generative AI applications are decision-oriented systems, but what we also need is not just a decision-oriented system, but an action-oriented system. And that's probably where agentic AI as a new framework comes in to disrupt and make sure that generative AI applications become production ready.